Welcome to another insightful session in our MBA Essentials series. Today we're delving deep into the core of human resources, training and development. But we're not just stopping there. We'll explore how different learning styles intersect with these practices. Before we dive into the intricacies, let's outline the key takeaways. Understanding, training and development. Strategies for effective training and development. Learning styles, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Popular training tools, ADDIE. Cultivating learning organizations. The role of organizational universities. Applying pedagogy and andragogy. Understanding training and development. Let's kick things off by defining what training and development really mean in the context of HR, or let's understand why training and development are pivotal in today's dynamic business environment. Training involves equipping employees with specific skills and knowledge required to perform their current job roles effectively. Simply put, training is an investment in your most valuable asset to your workforce. On the other hand, development focuses on preparing employees for future roles and responsibilities within the organization. Training and development initiatives are crucial for improving employee performance, increasing productivity, fostering employee engagement, and driving organizational growth. They're not just about acquiring skills, they're about ensuring those skills are effectively absorbed. First advantage, enhanced employee performance. Firstly, effective training programs lead to improved employee performance. When employees receive the necessary skills and knowledge, they become more proficient in their roles, resulting in higher productivity and quality of work. For example, Company XYZ implemented a customer service training program for its frontline staff. As a result, customer satisfaction scores increased by 20%, leading to repeat business and positive word of mouth. Second advantage, employee engagement and retention. Secondly, training and development initiatives contribute to higher levels of employee engagement and retention. When employees feel valued and invested in their professional growth, they are more likely to stay with the organization and contribute positively to its success. For example, Company ABC offers leadership development programs for its high-potential employees. This investment in talent development has significantly reduced turnover rates and increased internal promotions. Third advantage, adaptability to change. Thirdly, training and development foster a culture of adaptability and innovation within the organization. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, organizations must equip their employees with the skills to embrace change and drive innovation. For example, in response to technological advancements, Company ABC implemented a digital skills training program for its employees. This enabled them to leverage new tools and platforms, leading to process efficiencies and competitive advantage. Strategies for effective training and development. Now that we understand the importance, let's explore some key strategies for designing and implementing effective training and development programs. First strategy, conducting needs assessment. Before developing any training program, HR professionals must conduct a thorough needs assessment to identify skill gaps and training priorities within the organization. For example, Company LMN conducted surveys and interviews with employees to identify areas for skill enhancement. Based on the feedback, they designed customized training modules tailored to meet specific needs. Second strategy, utilizing diverse training methods. It's essential to utilize diverse training methods to cater to different learning styles and preferences. From classroom workshops to online courses and on-the-job training, variety keeps employees engaged and motivated to learn. For example, Company PQR implemented a blended learning approach, combining online modules with interactive workshops and peer-to-peer learning sessions. This approach facilitated knowledge retention and application in real-world scenarios. Third strategy, providing continuous learning opportunities. Learning should be a continuous journey, not a one-time event. Organizations must provide employees with ongoing learning opportunities to keep their skills relevant and up to date. For example, Company STU introduced a learning management system that offers a library of on-demand courses and resources accessible to all employees. This platform encourages self-directed learning and professional development. Learning styles. Learning styles play a crucial role in HR basics training and development as they influence how individuals absorb, process, and retain information. Understanding different learning styles allows HR professionals to design training programs that cater to the diverse needs of employees. The three primary learning styles are visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Research suggests visual learners are 65%, auditory learners are 30%, and kinesthetic learners are 5%. It's important to note that these percentages are not fixed or universally agreed upon. The distribution of learning styles can vary based on factors such as cultural background, individual preferences, and the nature of the learning environment. Let's explore how we cater to each. Visual learners. For our visual learners, information is best processed through images, charts, diagrams, and videos. Utilizing visual aids in presentations, infographics, and interactive slides enriches the learning experience. Think of it as painting a vivid picture of knowledge. In training and development, visual learners benefit from first, visual presentations using slides, infographics, and videos to convey information. Second, diagrams and charts illustrating concepts and processes through visual representations. Mind mapping, organizing information in a visual format to aid comprehension. Fourth, interactive whiteboards, engaging learners through interactive visual displays. Auditory learners absorb information best through listening and verbal communication. For them, lectures, discussions, and podcasts are invaluable tools. Including audio components and group discussions in training sessions caters to their learning preferences. For instance, role-playing scenarios can simulate real-world experiences. Auditory learners benefit from first, lectures and presentations, delivering information through spoken words. Second, podcasts and audiobooks, providing audio-based resources for learning. Third, group discussions, encouraging dialogue and exchange of ideas among learners. Fourth, verbal instructions, providing clear and concise verbal guidance during training sessions. Kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners learn best through hands-on experiences and physical activities. For them, role-playing, simulations, and interactive exercises are highly effective. Incorporating practical elements into training sessions allows them to engage and learn actively. For example, in a leadership training workshop, participants can engage in team-building activities. Kinesthetic learners benefit from first, role-playing exercises, simulating real-world scenarios to facilitate learning. Second, hands-on activities, engaging in interactive exercises and experiments. Third, simulations and games, using interactive simulations and serious games for experiential learning. Fourth, field trips and site visits, providing opportunities for hands-on experience in real-life settings. Incorporating multimodal approaches. Most of us aren't purely one type of learner. We often benefit from a combination. Implementing multimodal training programs can pose challenges, from resource constraints to technological limitations. However, by leveraging a combination of traditional and innovative approaches, organizations can create comprehensive and inclusive training experiences. Popular training tools, a blueprint for effective training design. The ADDIE Model. Now that we understand our learners, let's explore the framework that guides our training design. The ADDIE Model. The ADDIE Model is a structured approach to training design. ADDIE stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. Analysis, identifying learning needs and objectives. Design, developing a blueprint for the training program. Development, creating training materials and resources. Implementation, delivering the training program to participants. Evaluation, assessing the effectiveness of the training program and making improvements. By following the ADDIE Model, organizations can ensure that their training programs are systematic and results-driven. For example, let's consider the implementation of the ADDIE Model in a customer service training program. First, analysis. Identify areas for improvement in customer service based on feedback and performance data. Second, design. Develop a training curriculum that includes modules on active listening, conflict resolution, and customer empathy. Third, development. Create training materials such as presentations, role-playing scenarios, and job aids. Fourth, implementation. Deliver the training program through workshops, online courses, and on-the-job training sessions. Fifth, evaluation. Assess the effectiveness of the training program through post-training surveys, performance metrics, and customer feedback. Cultivating learning organizations. It's a fostering growth and adaptability. Learning organizations prioritize continuous learning and development. They foster a culture of innovation, adaptability, and knowledge sharing. Characteristics of learning organizations include a commitment to, first, lifelong learning, emphasizing the importance of ongoing development. Second, shared vision, aligning learning with organizational goals. Third, open communication, fostering dialogue and idea exchange. Fourth, learning culture, encouraging experimentation and risk-taking. Fifth, knowledge sharing, facilitating collaboration and cross-functional learning. It's about nurturing an environment where growth and development are ingrained in the organizational DNA. For example, companies like Google and Pixar are known for their commitment to creating learning cultures that drive innovation and creativity. The role of organizational universities. It's empowering lifelong learning. Organizational universities are dedicated learning hubs within companies that offer a wide range of educational opportunities. These universities provide, first, customized curriculum tailored to meet the specific needs of the organization. Second, blended learning, combining traditional classroom instruction with online resources. Third, leadership development programs designed to nurture future leaders within the organization. Fourth, continuous improvement initiatives encouraging employees to seek out new skills and knowledge to stay ahead in their careers. For example, a technology company establishes an organizational university to provide employees with access to online courses, workshops, and leadership development programs. Employees are encouraged to pursue continuous learning and professional growth to stay updated with industry trends and advancements. It's about empowering employees to chart their learning journey within the organization. Applying pedagogy and andragogy. It's a tailoring training for different audiences. Pedagogy and andragogy are two distinct approaches to education and training, particularly relevant in HR basics training and development. Pedagogy refers to the art and science of teaching children, while andragogy focuses on the principles of teaching adults. Understanding these concepts helps us design training programs that are tailored to the needs of different audiences. Pedagogy. Pedagogy is the traditional approach to teaching and learning, primarily focused on children and young learners. It often involves structured lessons, teacher-led instruction, and assessments. Application in training adults. While primarily designed for children, pedagogical principles can still be relevant when training adults, especially when dealing with foundational or introductory knowledge. For instance, in compliance training sessions for adult employees, a pedagogical approach might involve structured presentations, clear guidelines, and assessments to ensure understanding of legal requirements. For example, in a company's new employee orientation program, pedagogical methods might be used to introduce basic company policies, safety procedures, and organizational culture to new hires. This could involve instructor-led presentations, group discussions, and quizzes to assess comprehension. Andragogy. Andragogy is the theory and practice of teaching adults. It recognizes that adult learners are self-directed, have life experiences, and prefer learning that is relevant to their personal and professional goals. Application in training adults. Andragogical principles are crucial in designing effective training programs for adult learners. This involves creating opportunities for self-directed learning, fostering collaboration, and incorporating real-life experiences into the learning process. For example, in a leadership development workshop for mid-career professionals, an andragogical approach might involve interactive discussions, case studies, and role-playing exercises to explore leadership theories and practice leadership skills in simulated scenarios. Conclusion. As we wrap up today's discussion on HR basics training, development is an integral function of HR that plays a vital role in building a skilled and motivated workforce capable of contributing to the achievement of organizational objectives and adapting to evolving business needs. Remember the importance of understanding learning styles, utilizing the ADDIE model, fostering learning organizations, and embracing organizational universities. By applying pedagogical and andragogical principles, we can create training programs that cater to the diverse needs of our employees and drive organizational success. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive journey through training and development basics in HR management. I hope this masterclass has equipped you with valuable insights. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content and deep dives into the world of business and management.